guys, what is up? Welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a video on squishies you should like, squishies that I recommend you getting. So the first squishy I recommend you to get is this soft and slow cinnamon roll. You can buy them at Walmart, and these things are really big, and they're only $6.88. It's kind of a lot of money if you don't really want to spend that much, but I definitely recommend you to spend $7 on the squishy. If you're really obsessed with squishies like I am, you should definitely buy this, and it's really soft. And yeah, moving on to the next squishy that I recommend. So the next squishies I recommend are Crush Balls. You can buy them at you can buy these at Walmart, or not Walmart. Well, you can, I guess. I'm not really sure. You can buy them at Dollar Tree and Michael's and Dollar General. So I recommend you to buy this soccer ball. I'm sorry, I'm looking like over there. I'm not really sure why, but yeah. This
all that would prove is that they gave her a ride home. No uniform, no semen, no evidence of anything except
this baseball and this football. If you can buy the basketball, I recommend you to get that one too. Yeah. Moving on to the next squishy I recommend. The next squishy I recommend is to buy a peach, a jumbo peach. Any kind. It can be Ablin, it can be off Amazon, it could be off eBay, it could be anywhere. Just anywhere you find a jumbo peach, you definitely need to buy it. All peaches are soft and slow rising.
My babysitter, she laughs when I burp. She lets me dance on top of her feet. She never gets mad. Even that time I ate her.
All peaches are soft, and this one is just really soft. Moving on to the next squishy you should buy. This squishy that I recommend you needing to buy is not licensed or anything, and you can buy the licensed one, but this one's just as good. It's a strawberry cake. I'd rather it be like white or chocolate, but you can buy this at Walgreens, and it is scented, and it only costs $10 for this thing, and the licensed one are $14.99. And it's scented and it's very slow rising, so if you really want a jumbo slow rising squishy, head over to your local Walgreens. Moving on. The next squishy that I recommend you needing to buy is this fake Rilakkuma toast bread loaf. If you don't really want to spend that much money on the real Rilakkuma toast, you can buy these fake one for $3 at Walmart. They come in this squish yum goodies packaging. So they'll be in the packaging, and you can see which one you get right here and stuff. And these are all the ones you can get. I have this one and this one and this one, and I really want the donut and this one and this hamburger. I'll put that up right. But if you don't want to spend so much money on the real Rilakkuma toast, just buy this one. Even though mine came with a defect, and so did Braylon's, but still, they're really awesome to buy.
Your first 13 pounds? God.
Moving on to the next squishy I recommend. The next squishy I recommend you to buy is is
Yet there
this
is something you
ice
should
cream.
know.
You can buy it off of Amazon
There's 30,000
for, I
people
think,
are
around
killed each
$6.
year by vicious criminals as demand for needless ivory trinkets explodes.
And it's better than the Key Brew one, because the Key Brew one is way more expensive. I think it's $12.99. And if you really doesn't want to buy, this is based on the Key Brew one. But if you don't want to buy the Key Brew one, you can just buy this one. And it's just as slow rising. And this one personally has cherries, and I'm pretty sure these are strawberries. Not sure, but pretty sure they are.
Elephant lives are at
If
stake.
you can
Please
hear, hold on,
help
I'm gonna
save
try.
them now.
Can you like hear that? I'm not really sure, but it's very, not sticky at all, but feels like a cloud, like literally not even heavy at all. Moving on to the next squishy. The 3 last squishies I recommend, well, 4 last squishies I recommend you to buy are, hold on, let me get them all out because
Word 6. Wait, why haven't you been answering my calls?
the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 came from CVS. 6 came from CVS. So the first one I recommend you to buy from CVS is this strawberry that's covered in chocolate.
Who told you about her?
This diamond, any one of the diamonds,
Found this.
they're so slow rising. This ice cream, and if you don't want to get it defected, then I don't recommend buying it, but it's really soft, so I recommend you to buy it because it is so soft.
She said,
Next, oh wait, there's another
a lie.
squishy from
so what happened?
Walgreens. I mean, CVS. The next squishy from CVS I recommend you to buy is this cupcake
Do I
one.
have to justify my life to you?
It's so soft, and the top feels a little different than the bottom, but I still recommend it. Then there's this hamburger. I love this hamburger so very much. It's so slow rising. So if you love really soft, slow rising squishies, then they're really nice.
Going behind my back.
And then I recommend you to buy this donut. It's not very slow rising, but super soft.
Poking in places you shouldn't.
And some of the paint does like chip off and stuff.
Sheriff Williamson called
Then this confetti cake, I call it. I'm not really sure what it
way
is,
out of her
but
jurisdiction.
and, I
You need to
don't
stop.
know.
Why?
Anyway, yeah,
You're supposed to be on my
this
side.
one's really nice.
would be if you were honest with
I squish this one all the time, so like
Of this valley.
the bottom is coming off
Look at
of
you be a good wife
both
and play your
sides,
part.
if you can tell that. But yeah.
You know what?
Then I have this coffee cup I got at CVS from
So you're
Santa.
saying.
Then the last one I recommend you to buy is the coffee cup from Amazon.
That's the way you
It
want
comes
it?
with this Galaxy Panda head, which I also recommend you to buy. If you don't want the blue one, then the pink one, and the pink one just comes by itself. And it's like 99 cents or something.
Don't be stupid.
And this one actually comes with a little
I'll
straw,
go.
if you can see.
Or I can drive you to the station in the morning.
So, yeah. Those are all the squishies I recommend you to buy. If you like this video, please give it a big like, and in the comments, leave in the comments, tell me which video to make next. It doesn't have to be squishy related. Anyway, catch you sometime. Please hit like and subscribe. And yeah, bye guys.